to the World Health Organization, social determinants of health are defined as the conditions that people are born, grow, work, live, and age in that affect health outcomes. This includes the neighborhood and physical environment people are surrounded by. The zip code one belongs to is a better determinant of life expectancy than their genetic code. This is because zip code impacts a myriad of factors. The station you are about to hear is a Zoom call between three friends from high school. Chrissy lives in Town A in a more affluent neighborhood. Joanna lives in Town B, less than 1 mile away from Chrissy, but faces many hardships Chrissy does not. John, their third friend, is looking to move and is calling Chrissy and Joanna to get advice.
Hey, ladies, it's been a while. How are you both doing?
Oh, hello, John. I am feeling great. I just got my workout done, feeling stronger than ever.
I'm okay. So what's new?
Oh, well, as you know, it's been a while since I started looking into moving, and I'm now seriously considering moving into a house closer to you both. Um, I know you both live in different areas, so I was wondering if either of you had some insight into what it's like in your neighborhood.
Oh my God, I'm so happy here. I can find all my favorite healthy foods near me as my neighborhood is surrounded by grocery stores selling amazing fresh produce as well as regular farmers markets where I can get the cleanest ingredients for my home. You should visit someday. I make the best organic vegan zucchini quesadillas.
Wow, that's really great that you're near those stores, Chrissy. And I really appreciate the invite, even if vegan quesadillas are a little healthy for my taste. Are you cooking up anything like that, Joanna?
Nah, I would rather it just order pizza and garlic bread. I bet you won't say no to that. Actually, I'm trying to have a cleaner diet these days, but I'm struggling to find nearby stores that sell such products. John, stop hitting your brother. Oh man, these kids, they're always arguing about the TV remote. Oh God.
Well, I'm happy my kids are now asleep. They were exhausted from the park today. You know, John, there are also many clean parks close to my place where kids can play and have some physical activity. They say teach them when they're young.
Taking my kids to the park would be great if it weren't for the risk of them getting kidnapped. Our parks are not safe at all. Trust me, you don't want to be near there, especially in letter hours. Not even our sidewalks. Shame. They are broken and very poorly lit, not to mention the pollution coming from the trucks on the nearby highways.
Oh man, well, I'm sorry to hear that, Joanna. What about schools and hospitals?
Well, my kids are in good public schools. Their school is ranked amongst the top in the nation. I'm sure this will bring them better opportunities for college and jobs later on. Also, the other day, while I was making my organic cauliflower rice, I cut my hand and it wouldn't stop bleeding. So my husband drove me to a nearby ER where they fixed me up in minutes. Such an amazing and friendly team there.
I wish my kids were in a better schools. The school they are in are tragically underfunded. There are too many students, and that building needs definitely renovation. I keep worrying about the future. Healthcare is not easily accessible to us either. I have been trying for months to get an appointment to have my son's asthma checked, but the doctor near us have nothing available. This is just too much stuff to worry about. I keep juggling a lot to find healthy options, which is overwhelming for me.
Oh man, okay. Well, I seem to have a good idea about both neighborhoods now. Happy to catch up again. And Joanna, please have that cough checked out. I'll talk to both of you soon. Thanks again.
The scenario just played out gives just a glimpse of the large differences individuals face based on location alone. It is important to note the way in which essential things, such as education and access to health, differ dramatically based on an individual's zip code. If you missed it, go back and note the other differences based solely on what Chrissy and Joanna's kids are exposed to, and think about how that will play a role in their upbringing for years to come. John ends the conversation, telling Joanna to get her cough checked. But based on what we heard, do you think it's possible? And if it is, do you think it is on her list of priorities? To learn more about the social determinants of health, as well as how your neighborhood impacts your health, click the link in our description box.
Created using Powtoon.